Cohen, what are you doing? You got another one. Good boy. Does that mean you need me to wipe your nose? Hey? Look at you. They just keep going and going. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so proud of yourself, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, you silly little man. I just left some food of his on the floor after I fed him, and I forgot it, and he grabbed it. I picked it up and put it away, and then I turn around, and this is what he's doing. Hey? You're just so busy now. Hey? Into everything. Oh, it's okay. It's just Kleenex. Hey? You're having fun? Oh, yes, there's another one. Oh, and you can rip them apart too. Isn't that neat? Oh. You're going to be buried under those pretty soon. Hey? Oh, you don't want them in your mouth. Cohen? No, no. Okay. Bye-bye.